Alrighty. So it is December 7th, 2023, and I figured, so what the heck, might as well just make another startup video of the Goodman for the actual final time. And it's 65 degrees out. It's quite nice. We don't necessarily need it, so I'm just running it for, probably gonna run it for about 10-15 minutes and then shut it off. So it always makes this little squeaking noise when it hasn't ran in a while. And this fan blades are looking like they're spinning faster than normal, also because it hasn't ran in a little while. Last time this thing was ran was November 10th, 2023. And it's December 7th right now, and it is pretty nice out, so I figured this is gonna be the final startup of the Goodman for the year. I know it's kind of weird for me to do this, but at least it ain't freaking 10 degrees outside. Gotta zoom in on some other units. The neighbor's 2.5-ton Goodman that I filmed a few months back, starting up. Another 2011-2012 3-ton Goodman, bigger one. It's not tall, it's not taller or slimmer like mine is. I can tell by the sound of it, the fan's spinning faster than usual. Just by a little bit, and there's a couple 2011, 2012 Goodmans. That one right there, I believe, is a 2.5-ton, and that one right there, I believe, is a 3-ton. But I don't know about the year of those units. I think at that house it's probably 2011, and then that one probably 2012. But anyway, that's gonna be about it. And it's starting to sweat too, so cold and sweaty, and it is kind of warm outside, not gonna lie. It is 65 degrees. It's a little windy, but it isn't too bad. It's warm enough to run the air. So don't think I'm a freaking psychopath that runs the air conditioner in the cold. As I said in my last video, I don't dare to run this thing below 60, and it is 65 right now, so I figured that this will be the last time to film it running, starting out for the year until maybe February or March of 2024. Depends on whenever it gets warm. Hope you all enjoyed this unexpected video, and I will catch you all in the next one.